Have you ever come across this? Do you know what this is? This is called Nzu native chalk. Let me tell you about it. Nzu in Igbo culture. In Igbo cosmology, there are two types of Nzu, Okenzu and Nwunyenzu, commonly known as Nzu Omumu in some parts of Igbo land. In Igbo tradition, Nzu symbolizes purity, peace, happiness, and love. In some Igbo communities, when a stranger visits a household, they are first presented with white Nzu to smear their head or forehead, and the host also applies it. This ritual, known as Imanzu, signifies the mutual reception with love, peace, happiness, and purity of heart. There are three traditional ways of applying Nzu: Imanzu, Ikanzu, Itunzu. Itunzu and Ikanzu are primarily reserved for men based on their social status, while Imanzu is traditionally for women. However, women, especially ndị eze nwanyị, agbara nwanyị, can also perform Ikanzu to invoke cognate spirits for action. Nzu is also used during childbirth, where the newborn is rubbed with Nzu for several months to remove impurities like germs and heat rashes. Visitors to the newborn also apply Nzu, symbolizing the child's innocence and purity and indicating the visitor's goodwill. Okay, so now you know this is Nzu. This is also the edible Nzu. You know, that type that pregnant women often crave for. Yes, this is it. So it's edible. Okay, good. This Nzu is honestly great for heat rashes. I'm saying this now. I'm not saying so that you people will go and make the cost of this thing go higher than it is, because already is expensive on its own. This Nzu is really great for any skin rashes. I have used it on my children. I have used it on their bodies. I have used it on my sister. So it is confirmed. It is great. It's something you should have at home as well. And once you have it, you're already a traditionalist. But anyways, I'm just kidding. But it's very great. There are women who crave for it when they are pregnant. Now, you saw that part where they say people use it when a child is born. Well, now you see where the history of powder in African tradition, when a woman has birthed, then they will spray powder everywhere. It's actually Nzu that was the original thing about it. You see this Nzu, this one I'm holding particularly is the Nwunyenzu. That's the female Nzu. They have Okenzu. The Okenzu is the one without lines. Okay, so this one is the female Nzu. And it's this way because it's easier for you to break through it, you know. When you are having to pray and all that, it's easier. But the male one is smooth all through and it's not so easy. Now, you see this Nzu. When it is offered, when someone visits your home, actually you don't hand Nzu by hand. Nope, you don't hand Nzu by hand. You drop it on the floor and the person will pick it. And it is known traditionally, you know, in Igbo spirituality, that it's only people with a pure heart, pure intention that can pick it. So if anybody comes to your place and you bring Nzu to offer to them and you drop it on the floor and they don't pick it, know that that person has an evil intention towards you. So you do not hand Nzu by hand. Now, Nzu is great for prayers. You use it to venerate your spirit forces, your spirit guides, and make peace with them. This is a natural clay. Yes, natural clay, and it is great for your body. It is good for cleansing of your insides. So I don't know what you're waiting for. But for me, I have it for multi-purpose. I can grind it and use it in my venerations. I can use it like this for my venerations likewise. And it is amazing for the health of my children and I. So I don't know what you're waiting for. Go grab your nzu today. Okay, now you have heard of some of its benefits. Will you be getting nzu today? Let me go for my Igbo full total. See you later.